Welcome to the Transparent FX Academy. If you're new to the channel, I'm Nick and I've been a top author on TradingView for many years, as well as being one of the only traders with a fully verified MyFX book track record. So if you want to elevate your trading, you're definitely in the right place. So subscribe to the channel, and without further ado, let's jump right into it. So take a second, pause the video, read the disclaimer, and I will see you on the charts. In this video, I'll speak about gold. Now, as usual, to keep the video as educational as possible, first I'll give you the technical aspect, then I'll move to the commitment of traders to see what the big players in the market are doing, so the non-commercials in the market, which are the big institutional speculators, and then I will put together these two different types of analysis. So the multi-time frame top-down analysis with the order flow analysis to try to understand where we have the highest probabilities for the next potential move here for this pair. So let's get right into it. Now, starting here from the monthly time frame, what we can see is that at the moment we have a market which is in a very strong uptrend. In fact, what we can notice is the series here of monthly higher highs and higher lows. So clearly we can notice how we are in an uptrend, and during the beginning of this uptrend, every single correction was immediately met with strong institutional buying pressure. Now we're seeing for the first time a deeper correction, so below the 0.32 retracement. And in fact, if we want to measure the retracement and we take our Fibonacci from the low to the high, we can see that at the moment we are essentially at the last possible reversal zone, which is in between the 0.618 and 0.786. If the uptrend is to continue, we need to see more institutional buying pressure enter the market inside of this zone. So the monthly looks quite bullish. Let's keep that in mind and drop down on the weekly time frame. Now, from a weekly perspective, what we can see is that the market is currently rejecting the strong weekly demand and support zone, which we had identified in our previous analysis. In fact, here it is clear that this is the zone in which, when we had this impulse to the upside and then the correction, is exactly from here the rejection higher, so the continuation higher started, meaning that institutions started buying exactly here, and then the market during this push to the downside retraced exactly to this zone, retested it, and immediately reacted to the area. Now we're seeing once more the test of the zone with good probabilities of seeing more bullish price action away from this area. Dropping down on the daily time frame, what do we see? Now here in the daily, things definitely look quite interesting. Now, as I was saying, it's exactly from here, just a few days ago, I made a full breakdown explaining all the reasons for which I was expecting this rejection to the upside. And in fact, that is exactly what the market gave us, exactly the push to the upside that we wanted to see from this zone. And by the way, you find that previous analysis linked in the description, so you can go and check it out for more free education. But at the moment, what do we have? At the moment, we have a market which is creating this W formation. Usually after the creation of a W, what you see is a rejection lower, and there is a lot of market psychology that makes this pattern complete so often. Mainly, the main reason is that when there is the impulse to the downside, so the start of the W formation, then the correction, and then the market starts going lower, a lot of retail traders, they will start shorting, and when they sell, their stop loss will be above this high. And once the market then reverses and goes and hunts all those stop losses, in the case of a sell order, a stop loss is simply a buy order. Just a quick interruption. Let me know in the comments below any new pairs or topics that you would like me to cover in my next videos, because I'm always open to suggestions. So once all those buy orders or stop losses get triggered, that buying pressure can be used by institutions to actually sell. So to take the opposite side of that trade, and that is usually the moment in which you then see the reversal lower and completion of the pattern. And we can see, for example, a W formation. If we just go a bit back, we can see one here. We had the W formation. After a W, the market reversed lower. So there is the possibility from here to see institutions start adding some short-term sell positions for a reversal lower, completing this W formation at the neckline, which would be this zone here, which, by the way, if we extend it to the left, we can see how it was the previous support that stopped the market here, broke to the downside, started acting as resistance, now broke to the upside, started acting as support. Therefore, it seems logical that the market might want to go and retest this area to see what kind of liquidity there is inside of that zone. Now, let's keep all of this in mind and move to the commitment of traders analysis. Now, if we're looking at the data for gold, we are already looking at gold against the USD, because all the data here for gold is already reported against the USD. And what we can see is that with the last reports, net positions, it got increased quite a bit. We went from 154.2k net positions all the way up to 181.3k net positions. We can see longs being increased from 200k up to 217k. And of course, this means that institutions are starting to move back to the bullish side of gold, expecting the rejection higher, which is, by the way, what we talked about when we were on the monthly time frame at the beginning of the video, right? We wanted to see from here the start of the continuation to the upside. However, in the very short term, we start to see shorts being added. In fact, with the last report, we see 4,700 shorts being added, bringing the shorts from around 30.9k up to 35k. So in the short term, we already start to see some institutional selling pressure entering the market, which could increase the probabilities from here to see a reversal lower. And by the way, if you still haven't, make sure that you join my free Telegram channel, which you find linked in the description, so you never miss new updates. Now, back to the analysis. So in this kind of situation, what would I expect? Now, as usual, and as my students know very well, trading is reactive and not predictive. The monthly, weekly, and daily time frames combined with the COT data, those are the best time frames when it comes to the directional aspect of the market. However, when it comes to identifying early shifts in the trend of a market, the best time frames for that are the intraday time frames, so 4 hour and lower. Therefore, what I would expect is that if this market would shift from an intraday bullish to a bearish market, I wouldn't be surprised to see a reversal lower away from this area for the market to complete this W formation at the neckline. That definitely wouldn't surprise me. Now, all this free analysis, education, and updates that you see me share here on YouTube are actually just the tip of the iceberg. In fact, if you want to learn more, I really suggest that you head over to the website, which is linked in the description. Here, you have the possibility to gain access to my complete program. In it, you will have access to all the courses that I ever created. So everything I have learned in the market in all these years, easily packaged and delivered to you directly from me. So I follow you one-on-one directly in the program. So everything, including the program, you can ask me questions. You have my personal contact directly from your student dashboard. You also gain access to the same COT data software that you see me use in all my analysis. You also have the possibility to gain access to my live trading show. So essentially you can watch me trade live every single day. So as the day progresses, you see all the positions as they're open, closed, managed. You also have the possibility to gain access to my exact strategies. And in fact, on the website, you also see a 10 years back test of all 9 my strategies. So I suggest to go and check it out. If you continue to scroll down on the website past the testimonials, you will see that at the moment there is a really amazing special running. So if you're even only remotely interested in learning more, I really suggest that you go and check it out. The link is in the description and I will see you in it, because it is really the last program that you will ever need to join. This is the last time that you will have to look for any kind of program, because it's really super complete. There is everything from start to finished, and you are guided along the way directly from me. So looking forward to see you on board. I will see you on your student dashboard. If you enjoyed the video, make sure that you drop a like and a comment. It really helps with the creation of new free analysis and education. And I will see you in my next video.